Hi, I'm here with Chris Sparger from the Skull Creek General Store. Chris, thank you so much for coming.
Thank you.
So
My pleasure.
nice to be here with
Thank
you. If you haven't had a chance to get out and go up to Skull Creek Boathouse, which is a great restaurant right on the water on the north end of the island, you need to get out and go there and have some great food. But while you're there, you've got to go over to the General Store. This is not your typical restaurant gift shop, you know. You expect to find the t-shirts and the stuff that has their logo on it, but they have so much cool stuff in their shop that you really can't find other places on the island.
No, not at all.
It's really neat, and I've been in there. It's just everywhere you look, there's a lot of really cool stuff. Some of the stuff Chris brought today is the Skull Creek Boathouse soap. And this one is made with
Dark Corner Moonshine. Dark Corner Moonshine is a small business in Sumter, Carolina. And we've teamed up with them, and they basically supply us with moonshine, and we put it in the soap, and we have 9 different scents of soap that are made with moonshine. So that's one of our best sellers. Women like to buy it for their husbands and boyfriends, and guys are even buying it for themselves.
It smells really good. It smells different than you would think it would, and you also bought a beer soap with you too.
Right, yeah.
That you just smell it, and you're almost like transported.
Yeah.
It really is. Just this amazing, this is their beer soap, and they also have moonshine soap. That's
right.
hard to say,
moonshine
soap.
Say that 3 times.
So if you are looking for something really unique, these soaps are really, really cool.
Beer one's my favorite because a lot of people don't know that beer is actually really good for your skin. It's a nice softening agent, so people recommend washing in beer. And then Holy City beer made in Charleston is one of the best small brews around, so highly recommend it.
And these are your hot sauces.
Mm-hmm.
So the hot sauces are all the chef's recipes?
Yeah, Chef Brad Blake worked many hours perfecting this recipe. We finally decided on 4. It goes all the way from scorch your mouth hot to a nice mild mango that goes perfect with coconut shrimp. Chef Brad is using this in everything from, bacon infused Bloody Marys to sushi. So yeah, you can find this all over the menu at Boathouse.
Wow.
And it also comes in this neat little sampler pack that you can buy all 4 if you can't decide on one, which is a really unique gift for somebody, for a foodie or.
The foodies love this stuff. I mean, I have buddies my husband has buddies when they go out anywhere, they're always looking for the most unique or the hottest hot sauce. So the other thing is that you can log on to their website and you can order and shop right there online, and they'll drop ship it directly to your house. So I don't think you have to come to Hilton Head to get the beer soap or the moonshine soap.
We'll ship them both.
And what's this?
This is saltwater taffy. I think everybody's got memories of going to the beach when they were little and getting saltwater taffy, and it was hard to find. When I first moved here, I remember going to Ocean City, and there wasn't really any places that had good saltwater taffy. That was one of my memories growing up. So I got with the good people at Savannah Candy Kitchen, and they made a custom saltwater taffy just for the Boathouse. It's even got our wrapper on it, our label. It's delicious, made right in Savannah. Candy. Yep.
So it's made with the southern saltwater air as opposed to the northern saltwater air that you find in Ocean City.
Exactly. Yep.
So there's so much other cool stuff. I can't wait for Chris to come back next month. I have asked him to bring these really cool glass buoys that the guy drives around in a van and picks up.
That's a whole nother story.
Yeah.
Nautical Joe, I'll tell you all about him next time.
I can't wait to tell you all about Nautical Joe and show you these buoys. But don't forget, you can shop right on their website.
Yep, skullcreekboathouse.com.
And you can shop on there. You can get your soap, your hot sauces, and all kinds of stuff. So Chris, thank you so much.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
It was so fun. We'll see you next time.
Thank you.